it's battle for Bihar, which is heating up with each passing day as we approach closer to the polls. And this time, it's Prashant Kishore versus the BJP. The Jan Swaraj founder rained fire on the Saffron Party, alleging intimidation, pressure tactics, and muscle power to force Jan Swaraj candidates out of the race. Kishore claims union ministers are leaning on his candidates and that 3 of his candidates withdrew from the polls right ahead of the first phase of polling due to pressure. Now, the BJP has hit back with Rajiv Pratap Rudy, countering that Kishore should have contested polls to understand the ground reality. But the buzz isn't stopping there because sources say Amit Shah's late-night huddles with Bihar leaders and rebels helped douse the internal fires within the BJP.
वो हमारे पार्टी के जनजाति कार्यकर्ता रहे, कमल में ही वो पैदा लिए हैं। उनके पूरा परिवार वर्षों से कमल में ही गए। कुछ वक्त के लिए किन्हीं लोगों ने भटका दिया, उन्होंने खुद बयान भी दिया है। तो फिर लगा कि हम अपने परिवार को छोड़कर कहाँ जा रहे हैं। कुछ देर के लिए वो थोड़ा अचेत हो गए थे, पर फिर सचेत हो गए और लगा कि कुछ भूल हो रही है, तो अपने भूल को सुधारा और अपना जो परिवार है, भाजपा परिवार, उसको अपनाया है।
Unfortunately, one situation has emerged that Prashant Kishore is not ready to contest an assembly seat. People like us and many people whom I have met, they are very disappointed that he is not contesting an assembly seat. And if that was true, if he would have contested, then he would have become an MLA, then he would have gone to the Vidhan Sabha, raised issues of Bihar. There is a great sense of disappointment. And now he is saying that I really do not know that other political parties are poaching his candidates. I'm amused, rather shocked.